Well, it's a lovely, beautiful Friday afternoon, so we've decided on the spur of the moment we're going to go camping. We're going to head out onto the moors, Dartmoor, and we're going to go to a place called the Fox and Hounds. There's a few people we know who should be camping there, so hopefully we'll meet up with them. We're Mark and V, and this is our adventures.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt.
This is a hill we came up with Susie a while back when she was really struggling. And if you remember, our friends were going round and roundabout up here waiting for us because we were so slow going up.
She's all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road, yeah. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make.
We've got a few vans here. We've got a caddy over the far end, a couple of T5s, T4, our Cato. And a Citroen there.
To say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse.
Well, it's starting to get quite cold now, and we're walking back. We've been for a little walk with the dogs. Yeah, we do actually own a dog, but she's normally home with everybody rather than coming camping with us. She's an old dog. Anyway, it's as you can see, the sun is starting to drop down behind the trees, and it's getting quite chilly. And we're gonna go back to the van now. I don't know if we'll be sitting outside very long. It's a shame really, because it's a lovely clear night, but the temperature is just so cold. Tomorrow we're gonna have a walk down to Lydford Gorge. Come around here a bit. Hopefully, if I swing a camera around, you can see one of the tours up there. Well, good morning, and here we are. It's going to be a beautiful day looking at now. Just going to have a bit of coffee. And like I said last night, I think we're going to walk down to Lydford today. It's looking absolutely stunning out there again today. Hello Doug, how you doing, mate? You can come out and have a look around, and it is absolutely beautiful today. Really clear. I think I better put some sun cream on today, because last week I managed to burn quite badly, you might remember. Feeling just getting over that, so I'll definitely do that. It's quite a chill to the air, but I think it's going to be a nice day. I think you'll agree, when the weather's nice like this, Dartmoor looks absolutely amazing. You see it in the winter though, when it's really blustery, it's a totally different place.
You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, 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 I can't believe you love me. Oh, 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 I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me.
The Granite Way is an 11-mile multi-use trail running between Oakhampton and Lydford along the northwestern edge of Dartmoor, and it is mostly traffic free. It largely follows the route of the former Southern Railway line. The route passes close to Lydford Gorge, and that's exactly where we're going today. Well, you come out of part of the Granite Way, you come back onto the road, and you walk a couple hundred yards further down, and then you carry back onto the Granite Way. So we've come off the Granite Way, and now we're walking down into the village of Lydford. A little bit further down is the gorge. It's quite a nice pub down there as well, which you'll no doubt see shortly.
I feel like I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new, and every time that you walk through the door.
Wow, this MG Midget is absolutely stunning. It looks beautiful in the sunshine, doesn't it? Especially in the British Racing Green. I think it's going to be the best colour for them.
We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night.
That was Lydford Gorge. We got a book to actually go in and walk down along it, so we just had a look over. Gonna wander back now to the campsite, and who knows, we might have a walk up onto the moor later on. Lydford successfully repelled a Viking attack in 997 AD. This was probably due to the earthworks and the naturally steep-sided valleys.
It might just take a little longer. It all goes by so slowly. Ooh, you waited your whole life. Your days turn into nights. Now let the river.
Lydford Castle is a 13th century square tower keep, and it has a notorious reputation as a prison. In 1194, King John built the tower near the church to act as a prison for those accused of breaking forest or stanary laws. What is a stanary law, I hear you ask? Well, it was a law that governed tin mining in Devon and Cornwall. The law actually remains part of the law in the United Kingdom,
and is arguably the oldest law incorporated into the English legal system. The castle is a very simple 2-storey high tower, about 50 foot square, and the walls are amazingly 10 foot thick. And they have those Norman style deeply splayed windows. The tower that we see now was actually rebuilt in the 13th century. It was used as a prison up into the 18th century. The Stannery courts had a reputation for really harsh justice, and the conditions were terrible.
By so slowly, ooh, you waited your whole life, your days turn into nights.
Well, good morning, and here we are on the Sunday. The weather has changed quite a bit, really. It's coming in, the clouds coming in, we've forecast rain, so we've packed up. We've met some new people, it's been great. We met some new people this weekend, that's been brilliant. I'm going to talk a little bit about the campsite. Let's turn you around a minute.
Talk a little bit about this campsite. Now this is Fox and Hounds. It's on the main Dartmoor road, and it's £15 a night. It's just gone up. They don't want you can't have fire pits here, and the facilities are, you know, relatively basic. You get faux sun. The sun sort of rises over from this sort of direction and sets over in this direction, so you get quite a lot of sun through the day, although it does get cold in the evenings. Washing facilities, there are no dishwashing facilities, which is a bit of a problem. And the toilets and showers, I think personally, are in need of a good upgrade. There's one toilet and one shower with a curtain, which isn't really that good in the men's and the women's. There's that block over there, you can just see it, that little white building there, as I'm looking up the steps going up. Not the best, and I think for £15 a night, it should be a bit better. There is disposal there, you can see, for your toilets. If you've got an onboard toilet, you can see someone emptying their toilet there now. It's not, you know, walking distance to Lydford. You saw us walk down the Granite Way yesterday, so that side of things ain't bad. But personally, I think it's probably a £10 a night campsite. But you know, that's my thoughts. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And I look forward to making more videos for you guys. And if you are enjoying it, please you know, give us a like, because it always helps the channel, helps with the algorithm on YouTube. And if you want to see more, maybe subscribe, you know, and then you'll get notified when I do a next video. Anyway, till the next video, guys, we'll see you later. Have a good time. Bye.
Falling too fast to know if I'm ready. Your gleam is all I've got, so rise over my path, over my story. Show me which way to go.